Hi everyone! During everyday work, one may need to use a barcode scanner to check out products from the store. But your database got only number IDs for these products. What you may need, and what I will show you right now, is how to assign a barcode to a specific product ID. For this, you will need to install a barcode font. This one here. You'll find the link in the description to download it, and you can just click Install to install it. In this computer it's already installed, so it's not necessary to replace it. I will open the file that I have prepared. Actually, I don't have a database of number IDs, but I will create it right now. I will create random numbers of 5 characters between a specific interval by just typing there the equal sign and typing rand between, clicking rand between, and then putting the interval between 1, comma, and then 9, 5 nines. You can see that I have created a random number. Now just drag and drop, and you can see that it has created several number IDs. Okay, to these random numbers I will assign a barcode. You can just click the cell that you want to add a barcode, and then type the equal sign, and then just click the cell, the first cell. Just enter, and there you have created a barcode. Just drag and drop again, and you can see that you have several barcodes for your products. If you don't have the desired result, it might be for the font right here. As you can see, is CC code 39. If we choose, for example, another font, for example Calibri, you'll see that the number is the same, but if we choose the font that it was here, you'll see that it will be this font, which is CC code 39. Hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the other videos. Thank you very much.